So good afternoon, my name's James Breen from Quality Milk Management Services Limited, QMMS, and the University of Nottingham Veterinary School. Here we are at Longsland farm in South East Wales, just outside Newport. We're here to implement the first stage of the AHTB Dairy Mastitis Control Plan. This is off the back of the Antibiotic Awareness Project conducted with Farming Connect this summer 2018. And the aim of this project now over the next 12 months is to put in place the mastitis control plan, focus on reducing rate of new clinical cases and new high cell count cows. In response to doing some benchmarking of antibiotic use, we've identified that this herd is above the projected target of 21 milligram. This is to be put in place by 2020. So we're looking to reduce the rate of new cases, reduce the rate of new infections, and therefore start to reduce antibiotic use in the sort of area of udder health and mastitis control. We'll then be conducting another visit shortly where we sit down with the team and go through the data and what priorities we're going to come up with. But as far as today is concerned, this is about really getting to grips with current management and assessment of current management as it applies to husbandry, dry cows, lactating cow groups, what's going on in the parlour in terms of preps, and getting a handle on current management before we go away with the data and look at the disease patterns and put it all together and come up with a plan.